update video. Took out the injectors, trying to test them. And this is the 6th one. I did it on setting 3. Can't really tell. Setting 3. Pulsing. Nothing. Nothing. Now if I connect them to number 1, right here, seems good. Connect it right there. Hopefully it's not. It's okay. Alright. Setting 3. Pulsing. As you can tell, that one works. The other 5 don't. So I think I found my problem.